Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Measure dry and wet ingredients precisely. 1/2 cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup butter, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup milk. Use a 12-cup muffin tin lined with paper liners and brush the tin with 1 teaspoon oil to prevent sticking. Preheat your gas oven to 350 degrees F and place the rack in the center. Gas ovens have hotter bottoms, so center positioning gives the most even rise and color. Cream 1/2 cup butter with 3/4 cup sugar for 2-3 minutes until light and fluffy, then beat in 2 eggs one at a time for consistent structure. Sift 1/2 cups flour with 1 tsp baking powder and a pinch of salt, then fold dry ingredients into the butter mixture in 3 additions, alternating with 1/2 cup milk to avoid overmixing. Fill each liner to 2/3 full, about 30 to 35 grams or 1 standard ice cream scoop per cup, for uniform rise without overflow. Place the filled 12-cup tin on the center rack and bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes. Gas ovens can create hot spots, so rotate the tin 180 degrees after 10 minutes to promote even browning. Test doneness with a toothpick inserted into the center. It should come out with a few moist crumbs, but no raw batter. Cool cupcakes in the tin for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Wait until they are fully cool to avoid melted frosting and soggy tops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.